Welcome back in, everybody, to WBRC Fox 6 News at noon. A special treat today. We're finally getting back into the kitchen with Mark Giorgi. How you doing, my man?
Wonderful. How have you been?
Fantastic. Mark is with Ann's All Around Town Catering.
Yep.
And tonight you have a great something that
We
you're
are
cooking
doing
up, right?
something fantastic. It's a roasted red pepper chowder. So basically, chowders are usually made with a roux, but if you want to do the lower calorie version of it, we're going to start off with olive oil and the oil from my roasted red peppers.
Okay. Does it matter what kind of olive oil we're talking
I
about?
like good olive oil,
Okay.
so extra virgin olive oil is
Okay.
fantastic. What you're going to do is you simmer these down a little bit, just about 5 minutes, depending on how much time we have. I already have one made here, which is fantastic.
Smells good.
Some people, I found out a lot of people don't like celery. So the one I made, I love celery. So last night mine has celery in it.
Yep.
We're going to we're going to plate that one up. We're going to get this one going, give you a good idea how to do it.
Right.
So basically the ingredients are onions, olive oil, roasted red peppers, okay, potatoes already cooked,
Right.
which, parboil them for about maybe 10, 12 minutes.
Okay.
These are already cooked, chilled, put them in like that. And we're going to do the fast version today.
Right.
And it's wonderful. I don't think we'll have time to do a grilled cheese sandwich, but we will a little later.
Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Two for me already.
It's fantastic. And so on that, we're going to do sort of the fast version. This is my paprika. You can do as much or as little as you want.
Right.
It'll give it the red or little red, a lot of red. Curry, just about maybe about a half tablespoon of curry.
Anything substitute other than those two things that you can?
You can use turmeric if you don't like the curry flavor. Because turmeric just imparts a really nice color. Pepper to taste. If you do it to taste with me, you have lots of pepper. I'll stop there.
Yep, load it up.
Okay, you got a quart of chicken stock.
Uh-huh.
And you can use any chicken stock you'd like.
Right.
I use a nice roasted chicken stock from Schreiber. And garlic. That's a liberal tablespoon of garlic. It's going to taste fantastic.
Going to have a little bite to it, a little kick.
It's going to have wonderful flavor and fantastic flavor. So, fast forward 12 minutes in. Okay, this is figured. Fast forward like this, 12 minutes like this, and this is your product right here. This is what it's going to come out. That's a good olive oil. You usually tell by the color and the flavor. If you want to taste a good olive oil, put it in a bowl and taste with some nice French bread. You'll know a good olive oil when you see it. That is our roasted red pepper chowder.
Right.
And the color from that is mostly paprika.
Right.
And I think I did add a little turmeric last night.
Right.
Because I love turmeric. And that is your
They're getting an
favorite.
overhead view shot of the.
Did you want to taste it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, without a doubt.
Check that out.
I'm going to let's leave that right there.
Okay.
Oh,
We'll taste that in a minute.
Okay.
And like I said, that's fast forward. But this one right here, it'll come to fruition. It'll be wonderful.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah.
It's nice and smooth.
Yeah, it's not.
It's vegetarian.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah,
Yeah.
even better.
A lot of people in the new year, a lot of vegetarian diets out there, and I like everything.
And other things that you can serve with this, you were talking about a grilled cheese sandwich,
Grilled cheese sandwich.
any type of sandwich, or
Or a nice big salad.
right?
To keep on the vegetarian, nice healthy diet. It'd be really good. Anything.
Yeah.
Anything's fantastic with it.
Well, that sounds good. If you are interested in this recipe, of course, all you have to do is go to WBRC.com, look for our recipe section, and Mark's wonderful recipe is going to be labeled there for you. But Mark, Giorgi, this is fantastic stuff.
Wonderful.
Looking forward to eating it.
Oh, it's wonderful. I'm going to do a grilled cheese here in a second.
Bring it on.
All right, bring it.
Enjoy. We'll be
Cheers.
right.
Thank
We'll
you.
be back right after the break.